Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I refresh my 2 months old, almost 3 months old knotless braids. I mean knotless braids, knotless. This is my second time refreshing them. I refreshed them before after having them in for 1 month, and I've had these in currently for 2 months now, so I'm refreshing them again a second time. So starting on freshly washed hair, I'm just showing you the products that I'll be using. Yes, so if you'd love to save a couple of dollars, like a couple of bucks on your knotless braids, and to make them look fresh and brand new again, to carry them for months at a time, I think this can inspire you. Stick around, I'll be showing you exactly soon what I'm doing. Yes, right here I'm like almost halfway done. Yeah, I'm getting there. So right here I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. So I'm just smoothing the root, and then I'm taking the crochet needle and I'm gonna just push it through the root of the braid, like horizontally. And I latch the hair end to the hook and pull it through horizontally. Then I push the hook through the root vertically, yes, upward. And then I attach the hair end to the latch and then pull it through, yes, downward. Yes, you can repeat the same method as much as you want, the horizontal and vertical method per braid, depending on how much new growth you have. Be mindful not to interlock them too tightly, because it won't be healthy for your scalp and your roots. Two more rows left, y'all. 2 more rows to go. Yeah, almost done. Yes, I'm done. I'm just going to grease my scalp with this product right here. What I'm going to do next is very vital. So in this bottle I have some leave-in conditioner and water. The leave-in conditioner that I use is by Shea Moisture. I'll just put a picture at the top. This step is very vital to prevent breakage while I'm wearing my braids for a long period of time. I'm going to seal it with the same hair grease that I grease my scalp with earlier. Next is the best edge control I've ever used by Basque and Lather. Yes, so I'm just going to slick my edges down. Then the best hair mousse or foam I've ever used by Dukes. Yeah, something like that, yeah. It really gets those frizzes tamed, and it adds extra moisture as well. So I'm just tying my edges down for extra slickness, and wrapping my hair with a scarf, to lay down whatever extra frizz. After about 10 minutes of tying my hair down, it's time for the final reveal. As you can see, my hair is still wet from the mousse, so it's not properly dried. But you can tie your hair down overnight and wake up in the morning, your hair will be much fresher and frizz free. Alright, take a look. I'm just going to show you in between my hair. Tell me what you think. To me, it looks fresh and ready to go for another month. I'm pleased. Yes, I'm very pleased, as you can tell. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.